Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first episode of Kombucha Library TV. I am Tim Zahavich. Zahavich. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the Thunder Show. This is the Lightning Show, because it's going to be very quick. Hopefully it's going to be over soon, because I know you don't want to watch this for too long. What we're going to do today is a little bit of homebrew kombucha tasting. Kombucha. Tasting. For those of you who don't know what kombucha is, it's a lovely fermented tea, slightly carbonated, got some great flavors. This bottle here probably cost about 80 cents to make in total, Canadian dollars, Canadian cents. And it's flavored with a little bit of blueberry and basil. You can flavor it with whatever you want. This bottle I have here, blueberry basil. We're gonna see what it's like. Before we open it though, we're going to apply our trusty splash guard because it's a fermented beverage, folks, and you know, things can get a little bit messy. And I'm not a sloth, okay? Here we go. Beautiful. No major disasters. Not a lot of fermentation, not a lot of carbonation overall, but I don't need that anymore. Smells like kombucha. Yeah, I'd say. Yeah, tastes like I bottled it myself and didn't put enough flavoring in. This one probably had maybe 2 fingers of blueberry juice in the bottom and 1 piece of basil. It's got a slight hint of blueberry, basil not coming through at all. The taste of the kombucha is fantastic, and as you can see, there's a little bit of carbonation popping up all around the bottle there. You can see those bubbles coming. That's what you want. You don't want this thing overflowing. It's not like putting a Mentos in a Coca-Cola. This is just a light fermentation. I'm actually, now that I look at it and sit back for a sec, very pleased with the amount of carbonation that took place in this bottle. Let's give it another little sippy sip. Yeah, basil absent. Basically just blueberry kombucha. It's good though, it's really refreshing. Yeah, you can taste the blueberry for sure. Blueberry great, very refreshing, kombucha flavored. Really like the way this turned out. Wish it was a bit more basil-y. I love basil, but that's okay. You live and you learn. This is an experimentation. It's a project. You and me, we're on this journey together, okay? For now, this has been the Lightning Show. We'll see you next time, folks.